Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be making a golf tee mold out of aluminum. Right now I'm just inserting an 1/8 inch ball nose end mill and just tightening it down. Now I gotta load up the program, and there's actually 4 operations to cut out this mold. I have 2 mold halves, but I'm gonna start with the first one. And this will just cut the 1/8 inch ball nose roughing pass, and then I'll touch off my tool and get it started. So this first operation is a 3D adaptive clearing operation. I'm just doing maybe about a 10,000 inch step down and just trying to give it a nice surface finish. After I finish the roughing pass, I'll come back and do a final pass. And when doing molds like this, you want to make sure you have a lot of good coolant flow just to evacuate all the chips so you're not recutting them, and you're getting a better surface finish that way too. I like to look at the screen while it's doing the pass, just to kind of give me an idea of how many step downs are left over. And it's pretty cool to just watch it go and do its thing. And in this operation, I'm doing the gate channel. I have to do it on both sides of the mold and just kind of mirror it over to the other side. And this is what it looks like without the air vents that I have to put in for the next operation. Now I'm switching over to a 16th inch ball nose just to do my finishing pass, give it a little bit better surface finish. And I'm switching over to a 16th inch flat end mill just to do the air vents in the mold. And with the milling complete, now I'm going to add a drill and put in the holes for the alignment pins in the mold so the two mold halves can align each other. And one side of the mold is nearly complete, just have to do some touch-ups, maybe some deburring operations. I'm going to remove this one and put in the next mold blank and start the process over again for the opposite side. And here's a final look at one side of the mold. Be sure to check out the video of me injection molding plastic in it.